Monsieur Ballon, did you not state that on the night of the murder, you had just arrived from London on the 11 o'clock flight?
Yes, why do you ask?
It was cancelled due to bad weather.
I arrived on an earlier flight.
I put it to you directly, Monsieur Ballon, that it was you who murdered Miguel Austas.
Don't be ridiculous.
Oh. Look, if you can just move that setup. These curved cues can be difficult. Pull.
I dislike Miguel intensely. But I'm not in the habit of killing people merely because I dislike them. Oh, I beg your pardon. As long as you know about the cancelled flight, I may as well tell you the whole thing. The night that Miguel was killed, I arranged for him to meet the 11 o'clock plane. I arrived on the 9 o'clock. Now, he would be on his way to the airport while I was on my way home. My wife was at a dinner party. This would give me a whole hour, at least, alone in the house.
For what?
For Maria.
What?
Does that surprise you?
Then I submit, Inspector Ballon, that you arrived home, found Miguel with Maria Gambrelli, and killed him in a writ of fellas jage.
I admit to the affair, but to kill for her. Would you kill for her?
Of course. Not.